So that's a really good example here. He's outside. I've just put everybody else in. He's outside hanging out. I need to take him back to the bachelor area. So I just come up. Hi there, mister. How you doing? How you doing, sir? How you doing there, sir? Yeah. A little massage on the neck. Right there, mister. A little massage under the wattles, in between the wattles, right under where the beak is. Good job. Ready to come with me? I'm going to scoop him up. After a while, you guys can learn how to do a single grab. Hi, mister. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? And we're gonna go to the bachelor area. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, just like handling roosters and kind of things that I do, like the video, subscribe, let me know what you want to hear about and what you want to see, and we'll see if we can make it happen. Enjoy your roosters, you guys. They're super awesome. All right.